popping and all that stuff. It's a lot more goes into it to do it right.
Shout out to Detroit Record for hooking me up with the Lil Herc. I know lift and tow, bull.
Oh! He said it! Hey, I'm gonna leave you on this. I called up the Eric. Oh,
Mike,
is it Mike?
hooked me up.
Listen,
Mike.
hey, I'm gonna put them in this. I'm gonna edit it. We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
I called them. He said, "Yo, we got the best records on the world and what he said on American soil." I was like, God, that's a lot. What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, Mobile Mechanic and Roadside Services. I'm still in Super Donkey. This old girl needs a break. She really and truly needs a break. And I haven't been driving it much. I actually have been in Sampson and using my truck and my trailer because it is on my insurance. And life has been pretty nice in there. So I'm actually getting ready to order another wheel lift for it now and go that route because I need to put the old girl down, man. She needs some serious work. So because I had already made a promise that I can't back out of it, I already said I would do it. I have to go and do a tow for a shed. I don't usually move sheds, but I had agreed to move one, and now that's what I'm going to go do. So, taking a picture of trash for the county. Just pick it up. I don't understand why they wouldn't just pick it up. But either way, so we're gonna go move a shed. And so it's the space we're working with here. What we're gonna do, this is the shed. And I've already went around it and removed those anchor bolts. Jay, you told me it was 9/16, so it was 11/16. Actually, no, it was 19 millimeter. These are the anchor screws. These are anchors, and these I've wiggled loose, but I'm gonna have to screw them out. I'm probably gonna come over here with a jack this up, lay the bed down, and come on back, and that's it. So go ahead and let the magic begin. hypothermic now. Buddy came over here just to watch me. As soon as I got it up, he decides he's gonna leave. It's great. Give me a little bit of space to work with. But she on here, man. I'm gonna call my homie real quick because I need to figure out another way to properly secure this thing. This ain't worried about because it's just wood. They can knock that out. I just want to make sure the damn thing's on there. And the sky looks like it's about to open up, so that is fantastic. I still got to get all these blocks, the jacks, and all that good stuff taken care of. But we are on there though. If I go on there anymore, I'm nervous. Oh, damn, this thing is high. I'm a little nervous. I don't even know if I'm not nervous about the actual towing. It's just the security of it. I want to make sure that it's secure. So let's pull this up a little bit. I'm gonna call my buddy and find out, because honestly I'm not too sure. But she's up here. You know, I got like 8 feet left of bed, enough to put the other stuff, but still got to come to that second part of that. So sheesh, I'll get back to y'all in another part of the video. Let me call my homie real quick, shut this down, and we're gonna hit the road. We got 13% left in this. My man Maine Montague Family Towing, MF Towing, like that. That's what he's saying. He don't want to tell you that, but I know what time it is. Cold on the road right now. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. This thing is cold. He came out to save your homie. You got any words for the fans of YouTube?
Make it safe.
My man Jay.
All right. Don't forget about Saturday.
No, I'm gonna be there Thursday. I'm gonna be there Thursday
because I gotta work. You know.
Come, cause he big money. Look at
Some
this.
of us have to work.
Look at this.
I'll come Saturday because I'll have somebody that can cover my phones for me.
No, Saturday I got to shoot out to North Carolina. So I was trying to, because I wanted to go to the winch out class. So are you gonna bring the truck?
I don't know yet, because my mom is coming.
Gotcha. Okay.
Get my mom to learn.
So she can.
Impound.
That's what I'm going for. That's the whole reason I'm going. But it ain't Saturday. It's
They got classes on Friday and Saturday.
I ain't seeing for the impound one on Saturday though.
I'll send it to you.
Let me know.
I sent it to my mom already.
Let me know. Y'all see it. Yo, Jay gonna be out there. I guess I will edit this faster to put it up so we can have it out before the tow show.
Hey, but I work 7 days a week, every week. Every week.
I do too, but I ain't got it like you got it.
Every week I work 7 days a week. So.
Well, it shows, man. It shows. I mean, I can't.
No days off. So, no.
I got you.
I try to spend time with my kids in between, but other than that, I'm always working.
That's my biggest problem, is trying to find time for the kids. That's why I be bringing them with me so much. But it's so damn hot in the truck that I can't keep them in there. So he got the AC. You see? Listen, Jay, I appreciate it. I'm gonna bring you back that strap as soon as I get done. Well, shit. Well, you'll probably be done and back before I can get. So, y'all know my truck's slower than hell. So, but I appreciate it though. He hooked me up with a strap, showed me where to strap it at, and to take it down, I'm gonna pull the bed all the way back, and then tilt it, and then raise the bed back up.
All you're gonna do, here's the ground right here.
All right.
Tilt that bed back. You want to put the edge on there.
Right.
Start moving your bed. Make sure it stays into place. Once you see that it's sliding off the bed, just hop in there. Start pulling forward.
Okay.
Once it gets to the edge, let the bed down.
That makes perfect sense. TikTok that. That's $1 million TikTok right there. I'm trying to catch up. Jay, I appreciate it, bro. Be safe out there.
I only got 300 views on my videos.
You getting more than me. You getting more than. Hey, you know how much work it is to put into a video. Yeah. And I post these every day. I don't get like 50 views. So I don't know. You should make content.
This truck is gonna get you faster. That truck is gonna get you guaranteed. So regardless, if I go out there, there's a possibility I'm gonna have to go back and get the other truck. If I'm going in the other truck,
unless you get dollies,
I don't have to worry about going back.
Just
okay, but I can't put a shed on those dollies.
That's true too. I got you.
All this does is it lets me maneuver around around town a lot faster. I can do wheel lift vehicles
Right.
a lot faster. It cuts down my time. I can do 4 tows in an hour, you know, or less,
Right.
depending on where they're going. Versus my flatbed, I might be pushing it to be able to do 2.
That's still though. That's still.
So,
I top out at 55 on downhill, so.
and I only do 60 in this truck. You might see me do 65, but I run 60.
Right.
That's it.
He's gonna be on the podcast. We're gonna have this conversation. I swear we're gonna do it, bro. I'm trying to make it work. I honestly don't have the location because I'm trying to have the background pop in and all that stuff. It's a lot more goes into it to do it right.
Shout out to Detroit Record for hooking me up with the Lil Herc. I know lift and tow, boy.
Oh! He said it! Hey, I'm gonna leave you on this. I called up the Eric. Oh,
Mike,
is it Mike?
hooked me up.
Listen,
Mike.
hey, I'm gonna put them in this. I'm gonna edit it. We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
I called them. And he said, "Yo, we got the best records on the world and on American soil." I was like, God, a lot. But then he told me the price tag. My man is a baller. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. But the proof is in the pudding.
Hey, they have financial options for you. So
Your homie ain't got good credit.
Drop the money. You can finance it. They have different options. They start off at 13 months. You know, they have people they deal with. They start off at 13 months. You can go all the way up to, I think, like 3 or 4 years. So just depending on what you want to pay.
Get your credit right.
I want mine over with and done, you know.
It
so
makes more sense.
13 months it is.
If I had the credit, which my credit ain't bad, but for the interest rate that I would get, I'm like, I can't do that.
Business credit, sir. Get yourself a Dunn's number.
I got a Duns and Bradstreet or Bradstreet and Dunn. I got one, but my credit.
What is your
my personal credit is like
no. Your Dunn's. What is your?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, you need to go on their website.
All right.
You log in, you set it up.
I have it set up.
Okay, and
with
you
my
should
phone.
have a score right on there.
We're gonna look at that today. My battery's about to die. We're gonna look at this, Jay. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna see Jay at the tow show. So shout out to Mike, Detroit Record. He did hook this truck up, I ain't gonna lie. But this already bad before he got it, to be honest with you. He did put a new motor in it. But I mean, honestly, that's why we call him Big Money. Right here, proof in the pudding, baby.
7 days, 7 days, that's all, 7 days.
I appreciate it, bro. I'll be back later. All right, yo, we gonna go get something to drink, man. I'm about to die out here of thirst. I was supposed to have been home a long time ago. I had to give a shout out to him real quick. So he brought me a strap because I didn't have the right strap. So let me go I gotta go hop this fence because I'm about to die of thirst, like I say. So yeah, man, we're gonna get into it just in a bit. I got 6% left. I could not record damn drop in the shed, but it did get dropped. The bed is empty. I won't be moving no more sheds. We'll explain it in another video. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Like, share, subscribe. And until next time, mi gente, be promodo beneficio siempre.